Today I'm going to be making Instantpot pea soup, and my base are going to be riblets. I'm not a salt beef fan, it's going to be riblets. My first step, I have it on saute first of all, as I always do to start heating the water. I'm going to put the riblets in here. I'm going to let them cook for about 15 minutes. I'm going to take them out then and cut them up.
So the salt riblets are in. I'm setting it on high pressure for 15 minutes. When it's done, again, like I said, I'll remove the pork, take it out, and cut it up.
So I have the salt riblets cut and put back in the pot. I also left my bones in there for a little bit more flavor. So I have a full bag of peas. They are rinsed and drained. I have 1 full turnip and about 6 large carrot. I like a lot of vegetables in my soup. I have 1 large onion cut. And of course, I'm going to be using some Epicure seasoning. And again, this time I'm going with the French onion. French onion because it gives a really nice base, as you would get from onion soup mix, but none of the sodium. And of course, with the salt riblets, there's lots of sodium in there. I'm going to be putting about 3 tablespoons in. I don't need more than that because I have a nice base from the beef. And I'm going to be putting a full onion in. So in goes my onion. In goes my vegetables. And in go my peas. We're going to give this a good mix now. And when I come back, we'll put the cover on and be ready to go.
So I have the cover placed back on. I'm going to get ready now to set this up to cook for the next stage of cooking. We're going to set this for 15 minutes, and it should come up automatically to 15 minutes because we just had it on that for the salt riblets. The other thing I'd like to point out, you can change your pressure settings on here. It can be on high or low pressure, and you do that simply by pressing the adjust button. But I'm going to leave it on high pressure. That's where I like to cook most things. So again, 15 minutes, high pressure. When it's done, we're going to do a natural release. Natural release is really important for pea soup. If you do a quick release, the froth from the peas are going to spurt up through your release valve and make a tremendous mess throughout your kitchen. So again, pea soup or anything frothy, do a natural release. I anticipate this is going to take about 25 or 30 minutes after we're done. Just close off the sealing valve and we'll come back when this is done.
So being sci-fi buffs, John and I were watching Discovery and completely forgot the Instantpot. I guess one of the benefits of using the Instantpot as opposed to the stove, even when it's going to take longer, is you have the luxury to forget your pea soup and don't come out to burnt on pea soup. So here we go. We're going to look at this together and see how it came out. It looks beautiful, just like pea soup.